Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher of class 1. Now I am going to explain how to do English copy work. This is your written work. You must cover your copy with plastic sheet, then maintain first page with name, father's name, class, section and subject. Leave this side and start your work from here. Mention date, English grammar work. Draw two columns, one for words and the other is for opposites. What are opposites? Opposites are words pairs that are related but totally different in meanings. Opposite ऐसे अल्फाज के पेयर होते हैं जो बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ मीनिंग्स रखते हैं लेकिन एक दूसरे से रिलेट करते हैं. Just like near, far, here, there, hot, cold, open, close, rich, poor, happy, sad, good, bad, long, short, big, small, fat, thin, beautiful, ugly, earth, sky, give, take, new, old, go, come, clean, dirty, like, unlike, hard, soft, east, west, wet, dry. This is your complete exercise from 1 to 20 words opposites. Our second exercise is genders. Draw two columns, first for masculine and second one for feminine. Nouns which refers to males belong to the masculine gender. For example, son, husband, groom and etc. Nouns which refers to females belongs to feminine gender. For example, daughter, wife, bride and etc. जैसे मर्द मुज़क्कर है मीन्स मैस्कुलिन और औरत मोअन्नस है फेमिनिन. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट योर वर्क. सन, डॉटर, हस्बैंड, वाइफ, ग्रूम, ब्राइड, बुल, cow, he goat, she goat, he bear, she bear, peacock, peahen, horse, mare, fox, vixen, landlord, landlady, king, queen, uncle, aunt, prince, princess, man, woman, father, mother, brother, sister, sir, madam, Mr, Mrs, boy, girl, cock, hen. This is your complete exercise from 1 to 20 masculine, feminine. Now we are going to start singular, plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. While changing singular to plural, we generally add s to the end of the word. For example, dog, dogs, pencil, pencils, bag, bags, car, cars, ball, balls, computer, computers, paper, papers, apple, apples, banana, bananas. If a singular word ends with double s, sh, ch, we generally add es. अगर कोई सिंगुलर वर्ड डबल एस, एस एच या सी एच पर ख़त्म हो रहा हो तो हम उसका प्लूरल बनाते वक्त ई एस का इजाफ़ा कर देते हैं. एस, एसिस, डिश, डिशेस, बुश, bushes, brush, brushes, coach, coaches, glass, glasses. The plural number of some nouns is formed by changing a vowel or by adding en. Child, children. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें मौजूद वॉवल्स को हम चेंज कर देते हैं या फिर हम en का इजाफा कर देते हैं, जैसे चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन, en ऐड कर दिया.
Tooth, teeth.
Foot, feet. Man, men. Woman, women. This is your complete exercise 1 to 20 singular plural.